going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Damn it. There we go. Okay. The equivalent of 1.5 lumps. There's a reason for my madness, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning! It's me, Mikey Pipes. It's Wednesday, hump day. You see these two 36,000 BTU heating and cooling outdoor units by ACiQ? These are going in today. Part one of two-part install. We're replacing two 3-ton Rheem R22 systems. Keeping the ductwork. Replacing the line sets, though. We're going to mount those on the wall. It's going to look really, really, really tits. You'll be able to check out the video of the install of those on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. And when it's Wednesday, being hump day, we are one more day closer to Friday. And I love me Fridays. I know you love me Fridays too. And the best part about Fridays is that at 1 o'clock here at 1010 Central Avenue in Woodmere, we have free hot dogs, free French fries, free popcorn. And as long as Viva is not a true fucking scam artist company, I'll have cotton candy as well. We'll have cotton candy. And for those over the age of 21, forgive me. I bought some shot glasses on Amazon. I don't know how many ounces a shot glass is that we have at L'Chaim's, at Kiddishes, after praying on Saturday morning. But these are the 1 ounce ones, and obviously this is not the size that I drink with my friends, neighbors, and family. We drink the 5 ounce ones, and I'm like, damn, I have to go get new ones. We killed the bottle of Grey Goose on Friday. You know, John Phillips can't fucking run like this. We killed it, so in the freezer, I just put it in this morning, is a Magnum bottle of Grey Goose. Okay? Stocked compliments of the boss. So I'm looking forward to this Friday. I'm looking forward to today. I want to put these in because they look really sweet, especially since they're getting the private label. Looks a little damp there. It is a little damp there. Yeah. Oh man, it's gonna be awesome. It's really gonna be awesome. It's gonna be so awesome. It's gonna be tits! I love me tits. I know you love me tits too. So this morning, iced coffee, bro. I actually made a coffee last night. I put it in the fridge. And of course, as you guessed, left it in the refrigerator. And I went to Gotta Get a Bagel. What follows me? I went to Gotta Get a Bagel, and I got an everything bagel scooped out with butter. Now, I am not going to be a complete fucking pig like Mr. Sunshine. I'm not. It's wrong. So I'm not going to enjoy this amazing New York bagel in front of you because it's wrong. And it's also like, not like a cordial thing to do, you know? Like when you're having a dinner in a restaurant, you face the bowl away from you and you scoop it up. Not like some savages that we know. So it's Wednesday, May 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 de 7, 2025. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 jobs on the schedule for 2 technicians. Myself, the other Mike, and Daniel. Daniel and I are each going to that job, so that's counting as 2. And then after that, we're going to the East Meadow, the Woodmere post office down the block, and we are going to do rooftop maintenance on 2 gas packaged. I think they're Train. It could be Rheem, but I think they're Train rooftop systems. So we're gonna get some footage of that. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Wednesday we have a day of maintenance. And Friday, I love me Fridays. Friday we have 2 service. I actually have 3 on my schedule. One's a backflow test. And then I have a maintenance. What is this? Hold on. What is this? We have a maintenance. And then we have another maintenance. So Daniel has 2 maintenances. I have a backflow test and then 2 maintenances. Mike has nothing on the schedule yet. Not too shabby. Now, I want to give you guys an update. Bear with me. Remember these? EDDM. Hey, over here, hello. Okay. I'm using AI to follow me around. So you remember these guys? We have 1 response so far. And as far as the other mailings, where we mailed out 750, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 have been returned as vacant. But no one has taken us up on the offer for a free HVAC repair. For those watching the closed captioning, did it say in parentheses, Mikey fucking Pipes chomping on a bagel? And drinking a beverage? So I got 1 response from this, nothing from this so far. But I am a firm believer in branding, and eventually something's gonna happen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hope you have a great Wednesday hump day. Stay safe out there. Remember, the objective is to, those who are in the trades like me, the objective is to accomplish the goal of the day and go home to your loved ones and your family. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.